We believe in the healing power of nature, and we believe that great products can make every journey feel safer and more comforting. Since our founding in 2008, this belief has been at the heart of Homful's journey. Today, we have evolved into a trusted supplier specializing in marine RV and outdoor solutions. Over the years, Homful has continuously expanded its manufacturing footprint, building an integrated network of production facilities and supply chains across China and Southeast Asia. Our Vietnam factory was completed in 2023, followed by our Cambodia factory in 2025. Homful's supply chain system is built to support global delivery and long-term collaboration, backed by multiple production facilities in China and Cambodia. Along with a network of rigorously qualified partner factories, we maintain stable manufacturing capacity, scalable order flexibility, and a diversified risk management framework to safeguard the reliability of our supply chain. Strict quality control protocols are embedded throughout every stage of production, from incoming material inspection to process monitoring and final verification. Homful adheres to a standardized quality management system to guarantee consistency, reliability, and compliance with international standards. Our manufacturing facilities are ISO certified and fully aligned with the BSCI Code of Conduct, ensuring dependable quality and responsible manufacturing practices. At Homful, we have a diverse team of over 200 employees, including experienced professionals in sourcing, R&D, manufacturing, quality, marketing, sales. Our in-house R&D and engineering teams work closely with clients through ODM and OEM partnerships. Supported by our dedicated professional laboratory, we conduct rigorous material and performance testing from the very beginning, ensuring that every product concept is validated for durability and safety at its inception. From concept design and material selection to structural engineering and validation testing, we help our clients bring products to market efficiently and reliably. Over the past few years, Homful has achieved consistent year-over-year growth. Our products are sold in more than 50 countries, serving over 1,300 customers worldwide, and we maintain close partnerships with internationally renowned brands. Through active participation in leading international trade exhibitions, we stay closely connected to the global market and continuously monitor customer needs and industry trends. Supported by experienced sales managers and a dedicated VIP team, we offer 24/7 online service. Fast response from quotation to documentation ensures a smooth one-stop ordering experience. At Homful, we are always customer-driven, focusing on marine RV and outdoor products. Through co-creation and reliable products and services, we are committed to helping our global customers maximize value and achieve long-term business success.